Cold outreach can be one of the fastest ways to get new customers, but choosing the right tool makes all the difference. Salesforge and Lemlist are two of the most popular platforms out there, but which one actually gives you the best results? Well, I'm Sam. I've reviewed hundreds of sales tools, and in this video, we'll compare Salesforge and Lemlist side by side. So stick around until the end to find out which one helps you book more meetings with less effort. The more accounts you connect, the more outreach you can run. But Lemlist only allows one sender per plan, so you're stuck if you want to scale. Salesforge, on the other hand, gives you unlimited senders. You can connect as many accounts as you want under one subscription. Running outreach requires campaigns, sequences of emails, LinkedIn requests, and follow-ups, but building them can take time. Lemlist tries to help you by offering templates you can plug in right away, and both tools let you set up campaigns manually, but Lemlist saves you some time with templates while Salesforge is adding them soon. Once prospects reply, managing conversations becomes a job in itself, but if you're answering everything manually, it slows you down. Both Salesforge and Lemlist give you a centralized inbox to manage all of your conversations, but only Salesforge adds a AI draft feature that uses your company information to suggest answers, so you save time and reply faster using Salesforge. Now, prospects don't always reply on the first channel, which is why multi-channel outreach is key. Both Lemlist and Salesforge support LinkedIn and email, but Lemlist limits how many email accounts you can connect. Therefore, Salesforge includes a full-scale email outreach in the same plan. You're looking at 10,000 active contacts, up to 50,000 cold emails sent, plus validation credits and mailbox warm-up. You get more reach without the restrictions. Both platforms include a lead database, which means you don't have to rely on only scraping or importing leads. But Lemlist database is more traditional and requires more manual searching. That's why Salesforge's LeadForge uses AI to surface lookalike leads, competitors' followers, and your exact ICP much faster. Lemlist does have a Chrome extension and a lot of integrations, which can be useful, but Salesforge integrates directly with Clay, Go High Level, Slack, HubSpot, and many more, the tools sales teams rely on every day. Salesforge simplifies your workflow while also including unlimited mailboxes, free email warm-up, and AI hyper-personalization in the same plan. And when it comes to white labeling, Lemlist doesn't support it, but Salesforge does. Lemlist costs $99 per month for one sender, but if you want to scale, the price jumps fast. That's why Salesforge is $96 a month, with unlimited senders, multi-channel outreach, and all the extras included. You get more for less. So here's the bottom line. Lemlist is well known. It has templates, lots of integrations, and even a Chrome extension. But if you want unlimited senders, built-in AI, and a plan that actually scales without extra cost, Salesforge is the stronger choice. Therefore, if you want to learn how to set up multi-channel outreach the right way, I cover that step by step in the next video. Go watch it now.